pepper jack rolls, boudin roll-ups. How you doing?
Good morning.
Cheese.
Okay, so you should get the pepper jack boudin ball.
And that's in the silver? I got some type of green veggies in there, man. We got the chicken crackling right there. We're gonna go into that first. I've never had chicken crackling. I don't even understand. Billy's Boudin and Crackling spot. We in Lafayette, Louisiana. Hey family, we are still on our trek, man. We are on the way back to the East Coast. We are in Louisiana in Lafayette, and we are about to go to Billy's Boudin and Crackling spot here at the Exxon gas station, man. Guess who suggested this one? Danielle Harding suggested this one. Let's go check it out, man. Billy's look like a little supermarket, look like a little grocery store inside. Let's go check it out, man. Oh, pull it underneath. Oh yeah, look at this, look at this. Look at this right here. They got pepper jack rolls, boudin roll-ups. How you doing?
Good morning.
And oh, they got cracklings in the back. New item, chicken ball, sausage, po' boys. What should I get, sis? Somebody told me to get some boudin.
Yeah.
I ain't never had no boudin.
Really? This your first time?
This is my first time, man. I'm a boudin virgin. Uh-oh, you're on YouTube too, just FYI. It's not live.
Okay.
I can edit it out if you want.
Okay, no, it's fine. Okay, so you should definitely get the pepper jack.
I do, I like cheese.
Okay, so you should get the pepper jack boudin ball.
And that's in the silver?
No, this
Oh.
one is right here.
Oh, these are and that's the sausage? That's the boudin ball. She said I should get the pepper jack. So get one of those?
Yep.
I can get one?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna get one of those and some crackling. Do you have different? I have tried crackling. It looks like there's two different types of crackling in there though. How y'all doing? Like they looking like, don't film me. I'm a YouTuber from New Jersey. Y'all gotta follow me, Matt DV, at Matt DV, please. Support a brother. So, like, okay, what's it? Is that crackling too on it? Yeah. So, what's the difference? That's chicken crackling? Oh yeah, give me a little of both. Wow. I'm just tasting them. Oh no, you should just give them to me. Oh look, yo, she recording me. Hold on, let me get some audio on, yo. I got the chicken. Look, where it is morning. We got the chicken crackling right there. We're gonna go into that first. I've never had chicken crackling. I don't even understand.
And it's fresh.
Wow. It's nice and hot. Delicious. Wow, that's really good. I've never had chicken crackling. This is the first, man. I'm a chicken crackling virgin. But y'all know I've had some chicharrones. I gotta get some of this.
Okay, how much?
She done gave me enough, man. But I only need a little now. She done fed me, y'all. What's her name? How you spell that?
Maya.
Maya, y'all. She's great customer service. But we're gonna get that boudin ball and
Okay.
maybe how do you get this chicken crackling? What's the order?
How much
for?
dollars worth do you want?
I don't
I
know.
can get you $5, $2.
Give me $2
Okay.
of and then the boudin ball. This place is crowded, man. People have been coming in and out of here throughout the day, man. It's been pretty cool. Look at that, boudin. Boudin. Hey, how you doing? Hey. This is really cool, man. Here in Louisiana, Lafayette, Louisiana. I've never seen anything like this in my life, man. People are here. There's about 5 people in line and they're continuously going through. This is the meat section. Then in this store, right, they got like a little liquor store. You know, in Jersey, we don't sell liquor in stores except the liquor store, but they sell it here, man. What's going on, family? Once again, we're here in the state of Louisiana, man, in Lafayette, Louisiana, and I'm at Billy's Boudin and Crackling spot, and I'm gonna try for the first time ever, at request of Danielle Harding, I'm gonna try some boudin. Look at that, man. Look at that. That's that boudin. Hold up. We gotta get this right. We're gonna try for the first time ever some boudin, man. Look at that. Look at it. It's some type of fried. I thought it would be like regular sauces, like links, but it's like in a ball, man. Let's check it out. There's cheese in that one. I taste cheese and sausage. I think rice is in here. I see some rice. I look like some type of green veggies in there, man. Oh wow, this is really good. Look at the inside. Cheesy. It's a little spicy. I'm amazed because I've never had this, and I'm always interested in food that I've never had before. And she said that before I left Lafayette that I had to stop here, man. I am so glad that I did. I can't even describe this, man. It's so good.
It's good.
Come on the video, man. You might as well come on. Look, this brother right here, he's from here, but he lives in Houston now. This is delicious, man.
Yeah.
Rice and sausage, and I got the cheese in this one.
Right, pepper jack.
Pepper jack.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Enjoy your fans.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Right.
I appreciate it. Good brother, man.
Right.
Yeah, thank you.
Right.
This is pretty cool. Because he said he had saw me out there filming. You gotta be careful, right, when people see you outside filming. They be like, I seen you about 10 minutes ago. Like, uh-oh. Sometimes people be noticing you and you don't even notice the people noticing you. That's why you always got to just be cool, man. You know? That's good, y'all. This right here, I only got one. This is gonna fill me up. Gotta keep an eye on my car. This is gonna fill me up, man. I want to describe to y'all how this tastes, right? But it's just so good. I've never had a taste like this. It's sausagey, it's ricey, it's cheesy, it's spicy, it's crispy. That's the description right there. I wonder what's the green stuff in there. Look at the green stuff. I wonder what is that. I was trying to figure out if I can get spice from that, but look at once again, man. Look at that. Oh, them spices are hitting me. Thanks, Danielle Harding. This is your man, Magic D. I know this video wasn't long, but if you're ever in Louisiana, oh, I'm feeling that spice right now. If you're ever in Louisiana, especially in Lafayette, come here to Billy's Boudin. Pronounce it Boudin. You know how I know? Well, I really don't know, but I looked it up. People be like, you need to do your research. I need some researchers. I do have researchers. Shout out to Chad Baird. Shout out to Ayana. Shout out to Tri-State. Oh, shout out to Jay Lane. Shout out to Autumn Rain. Shout out to Andrea Clinton. I can't forget it. Shout out to Harry P. Who else be in there? 2 group chat. Shout out to all y'all. I shouldn't start naming names because y'all know I done forgot some people. Yo, I am feeling the spices from this one right now. I almost want another one. It comes in these little bags. was by the pound. That one was $2.99. The young lady up there, she was awesome, man. She said, I'm gonna film you. I ain't never had that before, I don't think. Okay. I'm going back to the chicken. Oh, that's so spicy. I'm tasting those peppers, man. I'm tasting the peppers and those spices in my mouth. We're gonna, yes sir. Huh? I don't know, but your parents. I don't know, I can't. Yeah, your parents gotta be here too young. So young man here wanna get on the YouTube. All right, what's this right here? This is chicken, y'all. What's that? That's just look like a vein. This is that chicken crackling right there. See it right there? I don't know, man. Chicken crackling. I mean, is it part of it the skin? It's crunchy too. I ain't never had chicken crackling, but this is good. It tastes like pork crackling. It's chicken though. I wonder what they fry this in. To everybody that don't eat pork, but used to eat pork, and they miss pork crackling, try this chicken crackling. Dang. I am so thirsty right now. This that pork one right here. Crunchy. The one with the pork crackling though, you can it tastes better in that crackling that we had. Where were we? In New Mexico? Was it in New Mexico? No, it wasn't. That was El Paso. That crackling we had in El Paso was the bomb diggity. Yeah, this one looks like it's a little crispier. That's that pork crackling. See that? That ain't nothing but that pork belly, man. That's where that bacon comes from. Yeah, I like the one in El Paso better. The bigger ones, and they were like, you can bite through them. They were crunchy. This is Man Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go on to New Orleans, Louisiana. See what we can find there.